What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the recent purchase I made, Android Apple Carplay multimedia dashboard thing. It's a Carpuride W903 model. I believe this was 2024 model. It has 2 cameras, and I guess the backup camera is optional. You have to pay extra $10 for it, but it has an attached dashboard camera which could be moved. Like, you could use it as like a inside car camera as well. It like easily rotates. Yeah, so I'm gonna be reviewing this, my ownership of it so far. With that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, the touchscreen is surprisingly pretty easy and responsive. It's almost like a smartphone. I mean, I want to say there's a little bit of a lag, but it's not bad at all. Using maps is fine. I've been mostly using Google Maps instead of just regular map. So this is kind of their main screen. You can customize like brightness, you can customize Bluetooth settings and all that stuff. You can also do AirPlay, so you can play like YouTube videos on this, but you got to get out of the CarPlay mode or Android Auto mode to be able to do that, which I tested. It's fine. I don't think I'll be able to use it as much, but it's fun. So yeah, there aren't much in their main screen. I've been mostly just using the CarPlay. So yeah, CarPlay, it has a bunch of apps. You can kind of scroll through and find what you need. Spotify works pretty well. I've been using that for music and all the other stuff. There's 2 ways you can connect. You can use Bluetooth if your car has a Bluetooth. That I found that to work best. But you can also do aux cable and connect that with your car's audio system. But yeah, overall, I really like the smart/app functionality of it. Let's talk about the camera feature now. Like I said, the backup camera is optional, but I did buy. So once you hit the button, you can put both cameras on real time. You can just keep driving like that. That could be a good kind of alternative to just like doing back mirror, like while you're driving. You can always kind of use that. I also like the fact that you can put, because this by default splits the 2 cameras, but you can also do individually by swiping. So if you swipe again, this is just the back camera. The quality of it honestly is pretty good. Like, even at night, it's 4K. It's pretty visible. I never really had any issues. One thing I should also mention is that it also has a backup line. So when you put it in reverse, they just like show up like that. You may not be able to see it comfortably because my garage is open. Maybe I'll pull forward a little bit so you can see it a bit better. They don't move, but you can comfortably see where you can fit. So that's nice. And then I also like the dash camera as well, because you can do pretty cool stuff with it. You can record yourself, I don't know, singing, whatever, having fun in car. You can just comfortably rotate like that. And then yeah, and then it also has an app where you can store these recordings, because as soon as you start the car, actually let me demonstrate that for you guys. Yeah, it does automatically comes on when you start your car, and then whatever last music setting was on, it'll just continue playing it, which has been nice. Sometimes it disconnects for whatever reason. It doesn't always happen, but time to time it happens, so it's just something minor, but I'm pretty happy about it. So yeah, overall, Carpuride, I personally paid $190 on Amazon recently, maybe bought it like 2 months ago. Been using it every day. It's been fun. Honestly, if your car doesn't have the base navigation system, music camera system, I think this would be a good alternative. My model has a backup camera not embedded on the infotainment system, but it's actually in the mirror. So for those who have that, it's like this tiny screen in the mirror. Now I have 2 backup cameras, guys. Extra protected, you know. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you found value in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. And please put comments or questions in the chat. Thanks, guys. I hope to see you on the next one.